Let's go! That's a big ass turbo. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Reek. You know who that is behind the camera. Your man Tyler.
Oh, I hit the mic. It's okay. I only hit
Man, it's time to take care of a buddy's Corvette. You never know, it might be featured on the channel one day. You never know, it might be part of the channel one day. Long story short, it's time to do a tune-up on this pretty girl right here. We had a little miss the other day. You know, we checked the plug wire.
A little miss?
Yeah, it was
a little intense. That's like 5 out of 8 misses.
It's true. But what we come to realize is still original plug wires on the car. The spark plugs have been changed. The belt's been changed. A lot of stuff's been changed. But you know, when you have old spark plug wires, they can cause a mess. So after looking over the vehicle a couple times and making sure there's nothing else crazy, we're going with spark plug wires today. It's got like little pop-ons. So what you do, lift up. Yeah, I got one more over here. Oh, there it is. Alright, right there. You gotta love it. Alright. There we are. Now look at that. So what we got right here is that 5.7 liter LS1 V8. And here's all the coil packs for you guys that don't know. One of the things I checked was the coil pack wiring harness because these go bad over a period of time. Everything's still checked out good there. No, the coils are still good. At this point, we're gonna go one by one and start changing the spark plug wires. Take off the top first. That's what we're doing. And most of the time, guys, you would, I didn't explain this, but you would always want to undo the battery. So most times you would take off the positive, negative on the batteries, make sure you don't overcharge the system or anything crazy could happen like that. So when you're working on motors most of the time, working anything on an engine bay, just a rule of thumb, always disconnect the battery. Just pull off as well, and you heard it was like a little, little pop noise that it makes. You want to hear the same thing with a click when we put these back on. So for example, we'll do this one right now. Make sure it's over the boot good, make sure it's centered. There it is. You hear that little snap? You had a little snap out of it. Make sure she's tight. Come up here, same thing. You're gonna hear a little pop. There it is. Pop there, pop there. All right, rotate it. Make sure everything looks lined up, looks fresh. Bam, we're good to go. We in there. One down. Only 9 more to go.
9? Wait, hold on. Whoa.
Oh, I'm sorry.
7.
Oh, 7 more.
7 more to go.
My math, man, I had a long week. Oh yeah, another thing. You make sure that the car is cooled off because you will get burned. If you try to reach in like these beautiful long tube headers down here, you will get roasted. And your hands will just straight be like, At the end of the day, if you try to reach in there while this thing is hot. So guys, 30-degree burns is not worth it. Let it cool down 20, 30, 40 minutes, an hour if you need to, before you do a job like this. Another one gone.
Yeah. Try to replicate the noise. Wait, it? Oh, that was perfect.
There it is. There. One more check down low. Good. I like to do is rotate, make sure everything's clear of any headers, because it'd be bad news hitting the headers. Just saying. The back ones are tricky because it gets a little tighter back there, but take your time, fill it out. Before you know it, it comes off. So line it up, make sure everything's good. You want to hear a snap? No snap there. Let's try that again. Oh, the snap when it came off, so that means it was going there good. Let's do it again. There's snap. A little bit more adjustment. All right, we're good to go. Look at that. There it is. All right, we're good. So one more to do in the back, and this is the hardest one because it's next to the brake booster. I don't know if you can show the folks. Brake booster here. Your steering rod down there. We got a. There it is. It's been a busy week, guys. But the cool part is, we're gonna have some beautiful content to show you guys shortly. It's great. For our faithful viewers, please stay tuned. Please tell your friends and family about us. Please like and subscribe. I can't say it enough, because I should say it more actually, but I'm saying it now. So please, 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 like this video, hit that subscribe button. Cause a lot of you guys come back and watch us, but not subscribing. Give us some love. We need it so we can get bigger, you know? First thing you gotta do, take off the oil filler neck cap. Was that tight already? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put those right here.
All right. I gotta be smarter than a cap, all right? Pops up, grab here. Look at that, right off. So, see, this with the 2 dimples. Hold on to this cover, which are right here and right there. So, same thing, we checked this coil pack earlier, make sure everything was working good, everything was working great. So now, if you look at these headers, there's a little bit more space over here because you don't have the steering rack and the brake booster in the way. So this one's really gonna go fast. Is that better? Mm-hmm. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, the dipstick got out of the way.
You dipstick. All right, let's keep going.
I can't focus. It's focusing on the shaft of the dipstick thing.
Sure.
It is.
That's what she said.
What does that even mean?
Huh?
What does that even mean?
Nothing.
Get back to work.
Right. Oh, guys, what you can't see, but since he's running aftermarket headers on this, the PCV valve has been deleted in the system. So the car runs just fine, no shake engine light, PCV valve is gone. So, just so you guys may be wondering why this is kind of dangling here. I'm gonna leave that alone, but yeah.
It's best to leave things alone that you shouldn't touch.
Exactly, so.
You know my baby hands again? Oh.
Another one bites the dust. And another one does, and another one does.
I think we were supposed to just taste.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, I mean, you still gotta make it entertaining for the people.
Yeah, true.
You know? I mean, they tune in for a reason, bro. You know?
Yeah, I hear you.
You know, might be a little special, but it's okay. Just how we do things. You know what I'm saying? So let's get this going. I need your light down there, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, let me just come over here and.
Okay.
Is that good enough? I think.
Yep. So what I'm gonna do, just like before, I'm gonna do the bottoms first before I do the tops. So let's put the stick in. I didn't say anything. Valve cover on. Alright, let's find the hooks. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And guys, I did look at the dipstick before I wiped it off, and it's right where it needs to be. Just...
Whoa! Whoa! I thought there was a car behind me.
So guys, thank you for tuning in for this short how-to video. And I hope you guys like what you saw. And at this point, it's your boy Big Reek, your man Tyler behind the camera.
I keep forgetting it's mounted here. It used to be here. And then like I hit it when I tried to do this because that's like our ending intro, you know?
It is, bro. Oh, the lights went down. Please like and subscribe. And we out. Another one bites the dust. What's wrong with you? The mic today.
Sorry.
Mic check.
On a higher
1 2
elevation.
1 2. You know? You know?